This is an example of an earthquake drill. Of grade 7, Yemen. Linog! After 30 seconds, okay, when you stand up, quiet, okay? Okay, move out. No pushing, no talking, no running. After the head count, if they're all complete, will be given instructions whether they go home or go to other areas where there is safety and security. Good, let's go back. In a real situation, they are not instructed to go back to the room.